Definitely my biggest piece of advice for someone who wants to apply is go for it. Hi, my name is Lydia and I'm a graduate analyst at Aurora Energy Research.
Hi, I'm Charlie and I'm a graduate analyst here working for Aurora in Sydney, and I'm working in the advisory team.
I applied for the grad program at Aurora on the recommendation of a friend who worked at Aurora and really enjoyed it. I didn't have a lot of experience about the energy market, but I thought I would enjoy it because I wanted to do something applied and interesting that related to the world.
I found Aurora online and discovered that it looked like a really cool company that was involved so heavily in the energy transition in Australia and across the globe as well. My favourite things about the program is just having a cohort to go with, to support you, to be friends with.
We've all made some really good connections and been able to bond well, and it's awesome having 8 other people to say, I don't understand this, or help each other out when we get stuck.
There's always something happening, from Friday drinks after work, down the street from the office, to Tuesday trivia nights or Wednesday climbing. There's something for everyone, I think, and if there's not, you can start it yourself. Advice for anyone interested in working at Aurora is, even if you don't have that energy background or feel like you can do it or have that research background, just apply. Aurora is really good at fostering growth in that domain, and I've learned so much. Most of what I've learned has been through the grad program.
The most important thing is to do some reading about the energy market, show your enthusiasm for it, and you'll be fine.